Good afternoon guys, it's me, Gemma Quigan, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and click the little bell to be more updated sa aking mga videos and more to come guys. So this time, pahinga muna tayo guys, hindi muna ako gagawa ng kahit anong mga activity sa loob ng bahay. Pero this time, meron naman akong isang little project na gagawin. So as I said earlier on guys, I have a little project to do and it's called the DIY painting diamond. If you are familiar with that, I bought this in Lazada guys, and then it's been a long time, and when I opened the cover, then I saw it and I remember, oh, I have something else to do besides the house chores. But anyway, I will show you guys. So at least, even if we're inside in our house and we really seriously cannot go outside because of this pandemic, we should, find something that we can love and enjoy doing inside in our house. Okay guys? Okay, later again. Here guys, what I'm talking about, this is a DIY paint, diamond paint. Yan. As you can see, a lot of butterflies here. I really love butterflies. Guys, bago po makalimutan, ito po pala yung mga kasama dito sa akin DIY diamond paint. This is so amazing guys, an activity for the, the mother like us, or who's out there single, even a man or a woman that really loves to do DIY in the house. Ganda niya. So, meron pala siyang mga number. May 7, 8. Kaya hanapin mo siya dito yung 7, 8. Let us just give you an example. For example, that. 7, 8. Ganun pala siya. Sa number mo siya i-base. Tapos, yung iba is letter by letter. Gawin ko muna tong isa, okay? I will look and find which verse that I'm going to start to, okay? Nakita ko na kung saan ako mag-uumpisa. So, I'm going to start with the number 6. I'm back again. Pagkatapos natin ng color blue, ay nandito na tayo sa 15. It's letter K. Kulay brown siya. So, let's do it. DIY diamond paint. Pagkatapos po nito ay aming ipapiprint po ito.